Hello everyone, the 13th of May 2020. It is about 2:30 in the afternoon and we're flying over the construction project with the house on Clearview Road. Looks like they might have got a pool cover put over top their pool and some grading might have been done around the pool area. So that's all that I can see just from flying over here. There'll be a link down in the comment section to take you back to a previous video and you can see what changes might have been made. Weather's upper 50s, lower 60s, light breeze and sunshine. Beautiful day today. Have a good day everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.